Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA MP140 printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA MP140 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best match should say Canon support for PIXMA MP140. Go ahead and select that. And then you should be able to see your printer over here, manuals and so forth. But we're just going to just scroll down underneath downloads and select where it says software and drivers. And if for some reason you're having an issue where it's not detecting the correct operating system or version number, you can easily make those changes in there just by clicking inside the dropdown, and you can select the items for Linux, Windows, or Mac. So once we've acknowledged and accepted that, we're going to go down to the third section here that has a few different items that we can download to our system. We're going to select the My Printer item and select the download button that corresponds to it. And once it's downloaded to our system, you want to select the item to just go ahead and open that up. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select yes. And now it should give you a little welcome screen. We're just going to close out of here for a moment. And it should say welcome to the Canon My Printer Setup program. Go ahead and select next, and then select your region as well as country. Agree to license terms, and then select next. And then you should be able to create a shortcut on your desktop if you choose, and select complete. And then if you wanted to open it up, you can review different activities in here. If you're having issues connecting your printer, you can select diagnose and repair printer up at the top. But hopefully this was a pretty straightforward process to follow, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.